As your rate of growth increases, you can't afford to wait days or even hours for someone to extract the right data to get it in the right format to let you capture the right opportunities. With Intacct, you get the right information tracked and presented in real time so you can make the course corrections that lead to repeatable, profitable growth. Intacct uses dashboards to keep you updated day to day. Dashboards can be configured by role to give your users the information they need to quickly make decisions in their area of influence. Within a dashboard, you can see a series of performance cards that display key metrics for your business. You can drill down on performance cards to see the numbers behind the summary. Dashboards also provide reports, charts, and approvals that you can drill down on. So the moment you log in, you are up to date on what's going on in your business. You can set up dashboard elements that display external web pages such as login page to an integrated human resources application. If you have enabled Intacct Collaborate, you can see your message feed displayed right inside the dashboard. Intacct's Report Center gathers all your reports into one place. You don't have to go search in different modules for the reports you want. You can see memorized reports where you've preset filter options for quick use. Scheduled reports can run and be delivered on a schedule you set. From here you can create new reports, copy and change existing reports, or simply customize existing reports. Many systems require you to engage IT or consultants to create new or customized reports. With Intacct's Report Writer, you are in control of what gets included and how reports look. You choose what goes into the columns and the rows. Create calculations where you need them. Set the hierarchy that controls details and summaries. Even control the fonts used in the report. With Intacct's dimensional reporting, you are able to filter and break out information by a variety of business drivers. You can look at profit and loss by location, revenue by employee. You can even report by multi-dimensions to get to the complex metrics that drive your growth. Intacct has 10 standard dimensions and the ability to add user-defined dimensions to meet your specific needs, and with Intacct's reporting capabilities, you see trends over time and can easily forecast along those trends. Intacct's robust financial and operational reporting, along with real-time dashboard metrics, let you plan and maintain your growth path with confidence.